Alright, so he gonna try it inside the car by himself. So go ahead. So first gear, clutch, go ahead. Is there anything else that you like about the car?
Well, I would like it to be like a lot more faster.
What's going on, guys? So right now I'm about to go take my brother driving in the SI to practice some more driving in the stick. You ready? Ready to do this? We got the GoPro set up, so about to make it happen. So let's see how you do. How many times have you been driving so far? What is this, your second time?
I think so, yeah, second or third.
This is your second or third time? Okay. Do you remember? You think so? You should know. You should already know, man. Be like, I got this. So you gonna wash my feet on our way there? All right, let's see. What car you want to get after you get your license? You know what car you want to get? I know you got your permit. What car do you want to get?
Maybe a WRX.
You want to get a WRX?
WRX.
I thought you said you wanted to get a S2000.
I might want one.
You might get an S2000. We'll see. Hopefully they bring out a new S2000. There've been rumors talking about bringing out a 2019 S2000, but we will see, because S2000, I know you like when VTEC kicked in from the last video, right? Yeah, so it's compared to, like, I knew you was looking at the Scion FRS, where the Scion FRS really doesn't have that extra thing kicking in and you really feel the car pulling compared to the other cars. A lot of these tuner cars, of course, they have a nice pull and top end. Of course, all the tuner cars, they have a nice long top end, which you can feel the car pulling, but Honda's definitely, you feel the pull when VTEC cooks in. So we will see. We'll see what happens. Switch gears, gotta push the clutch in, right? Reverse is all the way to the right and then down, right? And then you slowly, you can keep your foot on the brake, but slowly get to that point, right? And then give it gas and the car starts reversing. You know that, right? All right. So try to hurry up, get to the spot. So what cars have you been looking at? You said the WRX, the S2000. Have you been looking at any other cars? Huh?
BRZ.
The BRZ?
Yeah. The RCF Lexus.
The RCF Lexus? What? What do you mean the RCF Lexus? You know how much that car costs?
90-something thousand.
90,000 as your first car? Man, I'm lucky enough to get a dang SI. Talking about getting an RCF. I don't know about that. I don't know what this guy is doing, but I'm driving. Damn, dude, you talking about getting an RCF? Oh man, you gotta. Oh man, that's a V8, man. Is there anything that you like about this car, the Honda Civic Si? Is there anything you like about this car? What you mean? You don't. There's nothing you like that I did to the car. Huh? You like the carbon fiber hood? carbon fiber hood. That's it. You don't like the bags? The bags right smooth, right?
Yeah, I like those.
You like the bags, right? Is there anything else that you like about the car?
Not really. I would like it to be like a lot more faster.
You like it to be a lot more faster?
I'm more a performance guy.
You're more of a performance guy. So this car isn't fast? What do you know about fast? What car you been in that's fast? The what? His old Mustang? That car ain't that fast. What are you talking about? So you wish this car is faster. Dude, you never even went over 80, 50 miles per hour yet. You talking about you want a fast car.
In this car?
Yeah, you haven't.
I've been over like 90 in this car.
I'm saying you driving behind the wheel. So I'm saying you don't know how the power feels because you haven't even ran through the gears. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying you haven't really felt the power in getting up the top and getting up to like 4, 5, 6K and the car is still pulling. You still got 85K to go and you still got to shift a gear and the car is still flying and you still hitting VTEC. Have you done that yet? Have you did a pull through on all gears? No. Oh, all right then. Don't be over here talking crap about Hondas if you ain't never hit VTEC and ran through all the gears.
I didn't say Honda wasn't fast. I'm just saying that.
Oh, you wish it was a bit faster. You're not saying it's not fast. You're just saying you wish it was a bit faster. Okay, I get what you're saying. Get clutch and gas. You're gonna roll back just a little bit and come off of it slowly. Right? Now, take your foot off the gas slowly and push the clutch down. I'm gonna shift. Well, so let's turn around first. Easy getting back on the clutch. Easy. Let's stop here. Because I know it's getting dark soon. So first gear, give it gas, give it clutch and gas. Both hands to steering wheel. So we're going. Take your foot off the clutch. So you could put your foot on the pedal, right? But take your foot off and press it down at the same time. You get what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Like don't press down the pedal. So let's turn around here. So keep going. And we're gonna turn around. So when you shift, you could put your foot above the pedal but not push down on it before you shift. So put your foot above it, okay, and then take your foot off the gas slowly and push down the clutch. You push down the clutch, and then come off of it slowly. And then give it gas, gas. So we're gonna turn around and let's slow down a bit. Clutch in. If it feels like it's push the clutch down and brake. Push the brake down and push the brake and the clutch down at the same time. So first gear. Let's try it again. All right, so I'm gonna do it one more time. Right, my clutch. We're in first gear. Clutch all the way down on the pedal. Look. I'm barely gonna touch the gas. Look. I'm just gonna rest my foot on the gas a little bit. And the RPMs go up and it stays there, right? And when you take your foot off the gas, it's like this. You see, look, if I do this, you just gotta give it a little bit of gas and take your foot off like it's nothing, like it's a feather. So look, so gas, so I'm gonna give it some gas and then easily come off the clutch, and then the car is gonna grab and we're moving. I came off of there a little bit too hard. You see why I jerked a little bit, right? So same thing. We're stop, brake, and then clutch. So same thing. Rolling back a little bit, we're gonna give it some gas and come off the clutch. Straighten up the wheel. And I'm gonna show you one more time, and then I'm gonna leave you do it, then we're probably gonna leave. Is that fine? And we come when it has more daylight. So I'm gonna show you how to go to second, right? So I'm gonna start off slowly, right? So we're gonna give a little gas, little clutch, right? It's a little gas, and then I'm gonna give you the cameras to hold, right? And now we're moving, right? So I'm gonna give you to hold, right? So now just point at the shifter, and you watching too, right? So when you're shifting, right, all you gotta do is come off the gas, push down. So look at this, push down. You see how I did that? So look, I'm gonna do it again while we're still moving. So I'm gonna give it some gas. I'm gonna push down and take my foot off, like that. Second, come off the clutch, slowly apply gas, like that. You get what I mean? You kind of get what I mean? You want me to do it again? Alright. Alright, we're gonna do it one more time so you can see my feet. So, first gear, right? First gear. So now I'm gonna give it some gas and come off the clutch slowly, and we're moving, right? So what I'm gonna do is, right, I'm gonna have my foot already above it, but not pushing down on it, right? I'm not pushing down on it, right? I'm going to like that every time. So I'm gonna keep moving, right? Every time. So smooth, everything smooth. The way I keep coming off of it, you see the way I keep coming off of it? So it's like this. All at the same time. All at the same time. I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna shift this time. So, like that. Smooth. Come off the clutch, give it gas. Just like that. Don't worry about anything else behind you, right? Because the car is still rolling, right? Your car is gonna go faster as a momentum compared to the automatics. It's gonna shift early. You're more in control of the car in a manual, so you're gonna be up there more in the RPMs, and you don't have to worry about nobody behind you, right? So you want me to do it one more time, or you want to try?
Try.
All right. So I'm gonna put the e-brake. All right. So he's gonna try it inside the car by himself. So go ahead. So first gear, clutch, go ahead. Shout out to the Evil Street Strike fam. Definitely smash the subscribe button on the left here, and also hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Click the link right here below of the latest video that's out right now.